are you doing?
Nothing. So, Mom, you paid how much for that typewriter?
$10.
$10. How much was it listed at?
$30.
$30. So that's a savings of
$20.
20%? No.
$20.
$20. Okay.
2/3.
2/3. That's why I knew that.
It's in cursive.
It's very exciting, isn't it?
Why don't you just do it right there? Can you do it right there?
Here, I'll cut that in.
Well, okay, that typing's not very well. Not very well done.
Have anything else to say?
No, I'm really excited.
You're really excited? Are you going to take pictures of it and put it on your Pinterest?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, bye.
Okay.